So here we've got this metal roof pretty much prepped and ready for the final coating. Got all the seams sealed all along the verticals here, the nail heads, penetrations. We've sealed 3/4 the ridge cap, and then the Geico patched in front or under the ridge there where the foam goes. The only thing we really have left to do prep work wise on this one is where this tar is right here. We're gonna prep that with an acrylic primer to stop any bleed through from happening. No, that's not bird poop. That's sealant. We've got the smaller one that we're doing over here too. They're actively coating this one.